Welcome to Health Source of Apache Junction, Arizona. Today's topic, how to treat minor injuries. Everyone gets a minor injury from time to time. It may be something as simple as a small cut to a minor fall. There are a few ways to treat these injuries if the person that's there wants to try. It may seem scary to deal with an injury, but it doesn't have to be. Treating minor injuries. Most cuts and scrapes are considered minor injuries. They may be a little scary if it's on a child, but they're generally easily treated. The first thing that will need to be done is to clean the cut or scrape. This is a simple process, and all that's really needed is to clean it with soap and water. This simple step will not only clean the site, but reduce the chance of infection. The next thing that's needed is to add a topical cream to help seal the wound. This will help to stop any infection from developing, and it may help it to heal faster. There are some falls that are considered minor injuries. This may be something as simple as slipping or missing a stair when coming down a staircase. For these kinds of injuries, there are a few things that can be done to help alleviate the pain. The first thing that you should do is to sit down and rest. The next thing that needs to be done is to elevate the area that was wounded. If it's an arm or a leg, this will be easier to do. Adding a cold compress to the area will help to keep the swelling down and make it easier for the area to heal. The person that is injured may need to stay in a sitting or laying position for several days in order to truly heal all the way. However, anything more than a couple of days may require medical attention. Keep an eye on injuries related to a fall. If you experience a fall, even if it seems minor, you may want to watch the area that was injured. If it seems to get worse or the area swells even with the cold compress, you may want to see the advice of a medical professional. The injury could be worse than you had originally thought it was. Treat a head injury right away. If the fall caused a head injury, you should go see a doctor immediately. Head injuries that seem small can be very severe if not treated fast and by a medical team. Some signs of head trauma include long-term headache and nausea. While a slip down the stairs or tripping over your feet may not produce an injury that seems to immediately warrant medical treatment, keep in mind that what you don't see can still be an issue later. Many falls produce spinal and back injuries that need to be cared for. Don't assume the pain will just go away. If the pain persists more than a couple of days, be sure to see your doctor or chiropractor who can help you decide if further treatment is needed. For more information on topics like this, go to www.arizona.healthsourcechiro.com/city/Apache-Junction.